Today, instead of presenting another product from our portfolio, I would like to focus on a third-party integration. But not just any integration. You are going to find out about what I believe is a very convenient way to control your air conditioners, make them an integral part of your current smart system, and all that with little to no effort. What I have for you here are two amazing products. That's MCO RI2900 thermostat and also Aidoo AirZone AC controller. Before we go over the similarities and differences between the two devices, let's ask ourselves about thermostats and their importance in terms of Z-Wave network. So thermostats are a separate group of devices, in this case Z-Wave devices, that once added to your gateway will control the climate. How do they work? Well, they can operate in three different modes. They can be responsible for heating only, like FIBARO heat controller for instance. They can provide cooling only, or they can be used in auto mode, that both offers you heating and cooling in a given temperature range. The two presented products obviously work in the auto mode, so you get the most out of the available features. Moving on to the devices, and let's start with MCO RI2900. This thermostat works with IR air conditioners, so in other words, products that you point a remote controller at to turn the air conditioning on. And this is a one-way protocol, which means that we give tasks to our air conditioner, but we are unable to verify the current state of the air conditioner and how these tasks are proceeded. In addition, the MCO thermostat offers a more DIY approach, as we can easily mount it by ourselves on the wall without any expert assistance. You either provide the power supply by connecting a USB-C port right here, or you just use the built-in battery. So in terms of positioning, it offers us the type of freedom of, choice, the same one that Wally controller provided when we prepared our last video about FIBARO Smart RV. Make sure to watch that video if you haven't already. The device uses a nice display that shows the current temperature, humidity, and settings. As with other Z-Wave devices, adding it to our smart system is very simple. Simply turn it on by pressing the middle button and then pressing the upper and lower arrows. The inclusion process will begin, and we confirm it by pressing the middle button once again. One last thing that we need to keep in mind is that we have to configure the thermostat with the specific air conditioner one that we have at home. What you do, you download the IR thermostat mobile app and follow the simple wizard. The whole process is really simple and shouldn't take you longer than 2 minutes. In contrast to the MCO thermostat, the Aidoo air controller offers a more complete control thanks to two-way communication. We get to know exactly when the air conditioner was turned on or off and what temperature was set. Unlike MCO, this controller needs to be attached directly to specific ports of your air conditioner, so you need to take off the cover as well. My recommendation would be to reach the serviceman that maintains your air conditioning to perform the action for you, so that there are no problems with the warranty in the future. Before purchasing the device, please find out which specific model of the AirZone controller works with your air conditioner. You can do that by using a configurator on AirZone website. The link is provided in our description. To include the device in your system, just press the lower button 3 times. Once added, it will be displayed in your system as a thermostat with all the important features like heating, automatic mode, and fan speed settings. Even though I started the video by saying that I have a great solution for your home, these are universal products that can be used in industries as well. Try them out in offices and production halls. That's all for today. Let me know what you think about the video and what integration you would like to hear about in the future. Don't forget to subscribe and see you next time!